Hey Fair Faces, it is KlaireeBerry, and I just want to show you guys what we got today. Just a little last minute Christmas haul. I was not planning on like really entertaining Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. We won't be going elsewhere, so we'll be hanging out. So I needed to get some things to make sure that we have a really nice, fun, cozy time. So I've been waiting to pick up a case of this stuff for a while. Thought it was a perfect time. I got to get the organic ginger ale. So I got a whole case of that. And we did go to Walmart first. We got some this for the kiddos. Then I got a lot of drinks just so we can kind of chill. Got the boys some chips and salsa. Actually, we got two of these. Vegan nog. I got some Stacy's organic burritos. We just had bean burritos the other day and they were really good. Got some beets. I'm going to make some roast beets. Got some celery, organic celery and cucumbers. Got some mushrooms so I can make some good gravy for my mashed potatoes. And then we just got some radishes on a whim and some spring onions. And then got some salsa on sale. Okay, then we got some lettuce. Always gotta have lettuce for the guinea pigs. I got some liquid aminos so I can spray. I want to make some popcorn, you know, again, good munchy things that aren't too high in fat, because that's what we do, you know. We eat for the holidays, so spray some of this onto the popcorn that we used to use in our air popper, and then sprinkle on some nutritional yeast on top. It's so good. It is so good. I got a little bit of quinoa. It was pretty cheap, like $3 or $4 for this. Got some cilantro. Got some tiny little turnips. So cute. I love mashed turnips. Again, trying to, you know, get that comfort holiday feel with less fat. And so with those, I don't even add any fat to them. I just mash them up with a little bit of coconut sugar. So good. Got a bunch of tofu. I got some more potatoes because they had these for $2 basically, even though I already have potatoes. Okay, more tofu. I got one silken just in case I wanted to make anything with that. Got some of these, great for biscuits and gravy or just in the morning, whatever. We got some tofu, or seaweed, whatever this is called. One of the only supplements that I take. I eat very low vitamin E and selenium, so this is one that I found for the price is like the best. I'm gonna make some root beer floats tonight, and then tomorrow for Christmas we'll have some cinnamon rolls.
Get anything with them.
Root beer. Another thing of eggnog. Got some hot sauce. Another thing that's great for backup veggies. They last forever. Got some more nooch. And my favorite candies, stocking stuffers. Oh my gosh, love these. And for a treat for after the holidays, I got myself some, just sounds so good, butternut squash. Yum. And what else have we got here? Oh, they had our favorite macaroni sauce, Alfredo sauce on sale, and then I got some more of these. I keep buying them. But I think that is our little Christmas haul, so yeah, like I said, we're going to go eat tonight, out to eat, go to church, and then come back and snackety snack on all this good stuff. So hope you guys are having a good holiday season. Take care, and don't forget to eat your fruit. Okay, so it turns out I wasn't done actually. I think I showed you little seaweed snacks, and I just put away some white bread in the freezer. I also got some baby lima beans. I was going to get some black eyed peas for New Year's, but I'll have to go out and do that later. Got some chicken, gardine, like less than $4, spinach, and baby lima beans. So yeah, might have skipped one or two things in there, but oh, it was bread and a sparkling cranberry apple cider. So that's it.
Yeah.